welcome to your learning today. Today we're going to look at number line multiplication again, but today we're going to multiply a one-digit number by a two-digit number. There's two ways that you can do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. You can pick the one that's best for you. When you multiply a one-digit number by a two-digit number using number line multiplication, there's something called chunking. Now the way that you do this is you split your two-digit number into its tens and its ones, and this helps you to understand what jumps you've got to do. 4 multiplied by 12 means that you've got 4 12 times. This means that you would have to do 12 jumps of 4, which would take a lot of time. So chunking makes this easier for you. Let me show you. You start with the 0 on the left hand side like yesterday, and first you're going to do 4 multiplied by 10 as one big jump. 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40, and that is what I put underneath my line. Left, I've got the 2 that's in the 12, so that's 2 jumps of 4. 4 2 times, so you can do 2 jumps of 4, so 40 add 4 is 44, and 44 add 4 equals 48. The other way to do this is to chunk the 10 and the 2. So again, I'm going to start with my 0 on the left hand side. I'm going to do that big jump of 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40, and I'm going to write the 40 underneath the line, and then I can do a jump of 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So I've got 40 here, and I'm doing a jump of 8. So 40 add 8 equals 48. Both times I get the product of 48. So 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. Next, we're going to look at 3 multiplied by 16. If we did this the way that we did our number line multiplication yesterday, we would have to have 3 16 times. 16 jumps of 3. But we're going to do chunking, so I'm going to split the 16 into its tens and its ones. And I'm going to show you both ways again. So once again, I'm going to start with that 0 on the left hand side. And first I'm going to do 3 multiplied by 10 as one big jump. 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. And that's what I have under the line. Then I've got 3 multiplied by 6 left. 3 6 times, 6 jumps of 3. So I'm going to do those now. 30 add 3 equals 33. 33 add 3 equals 36. 36 add 3 equals 39. 39 add 3 equals 42. 42 add 3 equals 45. And 45 add 3 equals 48. Now as you can see, even though I've chunked that 10, these jumps of 3 here take up a lot of space. So let me show you the other way. Start with the 0, do your 3 multiplied by 10 first as one big jump. 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. And I put that under the line. And then I'm going to do 3 multiplied by 6 as a jump as well. 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. So that 18 is what I've got to add onto the 30. 30 add 18 is 48. So I've got the product of 48 here, and I've got the product of 48 here. So the product of 3 multiplied by 16 is 48. I also want to show you the jumps here. Can you see that when I multiply by 10, my jump is bigger than when I multiply by 6? That's because the answer is bigger when you do 3 multiplied by 10 than it is when you do 3 multiplied by 6. Next, we're going to look at 8 multiplied by 14. First, I'm going to split the 14 into the 10s and the 1s, and then I'm going to do my multiplication on the number line. I'm going to start with my 0 on the left-hand side, and I'm going to do one jump of 8 multiplied by 10 first. 8 multiplied by 10 equals 80, and that's what I put under the line. Left, I've got 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4 times, or 4 jumps of 8, and that's what I'm going to do, 4 jumps of 8. So 80 add 8 equals 88. 88 add 8 equals 96. 96 add 8 equals 104. And 104 add 8 equals 112. And once again, even though I've chunked this part here, the extra 4 jumps take up a lot of room on my number line. So I'm going to show you the other way as well. I'm going to start with the 0 on the left-hand side. I'm going to do the 8 multiplied by 10 first as one big jump. So 8 multiplied by 10 equals 80, and that's what goes underneath. And then I'm going to do 8 multiplied by 4 as one jump as well. 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32. Now remember that 32 is what I've got to add on to the 80. So 80 add 32 is 112. Now this jump here should probably be a little bit smaller. So I know next time I need to make that jump smaller. But I can see that I've got the same product both times. So 8 multiplied by 14 has the product of 112. As a challenge, I'm going to show you 4 multiplied by 23. Now this is harder because you've got more than one 10, but we're going to split the 23 into its 10s and its 1s like we have done before. But I'm going to split that 20 into 10 and 10. You might feel confident doing 4 multiplied by 20, but I know that lots of you know 4 multiplied by 10, so I think that will be easier for you. Let me show you how to work it out. So I start with my 0 in the left-hand corner, and I do 4 multiplied by 10 first. So 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40, and the 40 goes underneath there, and I'm going to cross that off so I remember that I've done that. Next, I'm going to do my other 4 multiplied by 10 as a jump. 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40, so I've got to do 40 add 40, which equals 80, and I'm going to cross that off again. And left, I've got 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3 times, 3 jumps of 4. I'm just going to do this as one jump of 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12 to save me room on my number line. And 80 add 12 equals 92. Now if you do feel confident doing 4 multiplied by 20, you could do that as a really big jump. 4 multiplied by 20 equals 80. And put that underneath, and then still do the 4 multiplied by 3 as one jump as well. And 80 add 12 is 92. So both times I get the product of 92, so 4 multiplied by 23 has the product of 92. I hope this video has helped you understand how to multiply a 1-digit number by a 2-digit number using a number line. See you soon!